Station. I'm here at Breezy Point. Hey, Renee.
Hey, Fifi, what's up?
Okay,
Not much. You?
Idiot.
What?
I'm talking about myself, don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Wow! I'm going like this.
Nice.
Picture.
Really nice.
Right? So, fabulous.
Fabiente.
Are we supposed to stand up and do
Okay.
Oh my god! I didn't know you were lifting up your ski at the same time.
What?
I love that picture.
Yeah.
You will see it eventually. Hold on.
This is our wonderful family.
Wonderful family.
Sometimes we're crazy.
Oh! Ow! Ow! Oh. I just stood up. It took much effort.
A lot of effort. Good job. Good job.
Ouch, neck.
You scratched me.
And she fell on the floor.
Yes. I'm really good at
I have a chance.
Ooh. So yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. This is.
I'm not drunk, by the way.
No,
She
she is. She's always drunk.
Yeah, because I drink all the time.
Yeah.
It's called apple juice. Whoa!
And water.
See how close I was?
Here!
Really?
No.
I didn't know wild either.
We saw 5 deer.
I said deer?
Well, your dad saw 5. And I saw one run across.
I saw 2 deer.
You let me draw.
Owie! Felicia fell and was in a very interesting position in her skis.
Yes.
Got a very funny
Beautiful.
picture of that. Very hilarious.
Beautiful.
I know, you hated, don't you? He was like, oh my god, I look horrible. Owie!
It's just a little embarrassing.
Yeah.
Baby.
We're gonna sing a song.
We are, huh? What are we gonna sing? Wait, did you just say that?
Yeah, we're gonna sing. Okay, we're gonna sing Almost Any Country Roads.
No, I can't sing.
Stop and Stare.
I don't know how to sing that song.
You pick a song then.
What do you know how to sing?
Well, my songs. If I could. I mean, wherever you go.
I don't know the words.
So lately, been wondering how will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You need love to light the shadows on your face. If a great wave shall fall, it will fall upon us all. And between the sand and stone, did you make it on your own? If I could, then I would. I'll go where